Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be talking about an upcoming event, the Ultimate Sneaker Reseller Tournament. This thing is going to be huge. Now, I'm involved, and I'm just doing a little video to talk about it, what is happening, so you guys can understand, and also to kind of also help me process it, get it all in one video so you know what's upcoming on a few other people's channels as well. This is a tournament including a few other sneaker YouTuber resellers. I believe it's 10 in total, and it's a competition to see who can get the most pairs in a tournament style. Now, there are some pretty big names here, and I'll just read out the list to you. You have Botta Builder, MP Cooks, Ratbag, SoFlo, Saeed, Burgers Kicks, Erden, Gumpy, Kai Kicks, and also me, which I think is sick. I'm absolutely honored to be part of this. Obviously, there's some guys here who are way bigger than me. So yeah, I'm very, very grateful for this opportunity that I've been given. So as you can tell from that, there is actually a mix between US and EU YouTubers. And I like this a lot. Although we are only going for US sites, it does mean we can probably get the most pairs because US sites are easier and do get more stock. So yeah, it should be good. And also the mix there. Obviously, I won't have as much an advantage, but I have botted US sites before. I can't lie, just some success on screen UNCs and that. So yeah, I'm not a newbie when it comes to US botting. Let's just say that. I've had my fair share of doing it. So I would say I have a little advantage compared to some of the EU guys. Obviously nothing compared to Saeed. He only bots US sites. So yeah, I should do all right though. I probably won't come last. I hope not anyways, but you never know. However, the way this thing is going to work, like I said earlier, is it is going to be a knockout tournament style. So whoever gets the most pairs, cancels don't count. It's literally just how many checkouts go through the bot wins. And we're looking at Shopify, Yeezy Supply, and Foot sites. We don't think we're going to go for JD Sports and Finish Line just because we're not about that. They have a few issues. So when it comes to resources, we wanted to keep this fairly fair, and we also wanted to get some sponsors involved who were kind enough to actually sponsor the series. So this is a pretty insane setup. Let me read this out. We have Oculus proxies and servers as part of the series, as well as Hex proxies, Masked, who, if you boys know, I'm a big fan of. They are killing Offspring at the moment. And also Chiron Resis, which are, in my opinion, some of the best Foot Locker EU proxies you can get. But obviously, they should do really well on US as well. And we also have AYCD as our toolbox, you know, for one-click, auto-solve, all that stuff. And we also have Vanished and Denounce for Gmails, just some extra ones, you know. One of the maddest things for this event for me is bots, right? I'm not someone who is a massive bot inventory. I've been honored enough to be given a few bots, F and that, and that's been like absolutely insane for me. As you know, I've just purchased Burst over my own money. That's not going great. The price has kind of crashed, but whatever. Somehow, I mean, I have to give a shout out to Saeed for doing all this, and I'm just part of this, and I'm so grateful. Bot Broker have decided to partner up with us, and we are going to be getting our own pick of any bot on Bot Broker, which is just insane. For the first round, I've selected Prism, because if you did not know, I'll have some links up there. I love Prism, right? It holds closely in my heart. I hit biohacks on it back in November, and since then, I've just kind of fallen in love with it. Now, Prism's probably one of the best foot sites bots, probably not the best for Shopify or Yeezy Supply, but hey, you know what? I want to mix it up. The majority of people are going with Wrath, but I'm a content creator. I'm here to supply. I'm here to supply the good content. So, Prism boys, where we at? So, yeah, if you have Prism, you better love me. I'm part of that Prism team, you know, so that's what we're all about. Apart from bot, everything is going to be consistent. So, server, proxies, Gmails, which I really like because it's kind of the battle of the bots. So, Prism devs, follow me on Twitter, please. But yeah, so the way this will work is it will be kind of across a few weeks in this tournament style, and there'll be live cops on everyone's channel. There'll be a summary at the end to find out kind of who got the most pairs, which I think will be pretty good. But yeah, I haven't done live cops in a while, so it'll be really good to kind of get back into it. Obviously, I can't promise how I'll do. We are looking for people's profiles to run, so if you have loads of cards, bulk buyer, or just have lots of profiles, need lots of stuff, get in contact. There'll be stuff in the description that you can contact me with. We are looking for big buyers to kind of run with this series because we should be able to get a fair amount of pairs altogether. And that's a cool thing at the end of the day. Hopefully, we'll be actually kind of working towards one person. We'll be helping one person out, which is really good because then we're all kind of winning, if that makes sense. I don't know. But yeah, this is a pretty short video. However, I'm just outlining what is coming up within the next few weeks. And also, the content is coming to my channel. This is going to be the Ultimate Reseller Sneaker Reseller Tournament. It's going to be insane. I hope you guys are ready for it. And obviously, supporting George Jefferson, the Ginger Gang over here. What? I don't know what I'm saying. It is going to be sick. But yeah, probably not going to win. But I'm involved. So, in my opinion, I've already won. if you guys enjoyed, like the video. It's not going to do well in views, but, you know, help out the YouTube algorithm so we can actually get gassed for this series. I'm expecting you boys to support me, though, because I'm really not going to do too well. But yeah, I'll see you in another episode, which I'll probably be hitting 0 pairs in. See you later.